Right, hello, this is another very bad video from Dave. This time it's using DiADeM, showing a DiADeM is connecting to OpenEHR, and I'm going to get it to show you putting down data, updating a composition and posting a new composition. Don't expect too much for the GUI at this stage. So if you go to the info page and from there go to the test OpenEHR page. So don't be blown away by the wonderfulness of this GUI, but let's just show you what it can do. So let's log in to OpenEHR. It's my session ID. Let's get the EHR ID. That's from a dummy NHS number. Let's get a composition ID from DiADeM. Unlike the test OpenEHR application, this doesn't deal with multiple templates. This just deals with one template, just deals with a DiADeM template. Let's get some composition data. I want to have this data so I can use it when I'm updating and posting new data, but I don't have to do the pull down each time. So can you see there, it says the composer was new composer 20th January at 2020. And I should point out, by the way, that under the where you can see the Get Comp ID button, you can see the long string of numbers. That is the composition ID. And at the very end of that, it's showing : 2. That's the version number for that particular composition, as in it's been updated twice. It's created once, updated once. Sorry, and its increment number is 2. So I'm going to update the composer name to DiADeM and then a string of numbers, which is a number of seconds since 1970, which always updates and will be a unique number. So first of all, let's update the composition. Can you see there, composition 2 has been incremented to 3. So that would be if when somebody does a composition, sends it off, there's something wrong, they sent it to the wrong surgery perhaps, they can pull it back down to the app, or gets sent down to the app, and then they can make the changes and then send it up again, which is what we've just done effectively. Okay, I'm just going to log out of that, pretend you didn't see that error message. So that's my session ID, EHR ID, comp ID, and getting some composition data. I'm going to amend the composer name again, and this time I'm going to post brand new composition. So we see something slightly different this time. So now at the bottom it says new composition created, a long string of numbers and letters. That's a new composition ID. And at the very end it says : 1, which shows it's a brand new composition. So that is DiADeM working, creating new compositions, posting them up, and being able to amend ones which have to come back down and be changed. It is not plugged in properly to all the data that we create in a DiADeM report. That's to go later. And I'm sure that when I'm talking with Ian and Hildy on Monday, they'll give me lots of pointers about how to make it more efficient and such like. But that's it. Thank you very much and goodbye.